Boot screen frozen and not moving past the logo can feel like the system is completely stuck, even though the device still has power. On the Steam Deck, this usually points to a startup glitch, system file issue, or a temporary freeze during boot rather than a serious hardware problem. You might see the logo stay on screen for a long time without loading into the main interface. Sometimes this happens after an update, low battery shutdown, or interrupted startup. In other cases, the system may be trying to load but gets stuck due to a minor software conflict. Instead of assuming the device is broken, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get it past the boot screen. 1. Hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to force shutdown. 2. Wait a few seconds, then turn the Steam Deck back on. 3. Try converting into recovery mode. 4. Select a safe boot or repair option if available. 5. Make sure the device has enough battery or keep it plugged in. 6. Restart again after applying any recovery option.